learners, always remember this. Those who keep learning will keep rising in life. So, listen, stay focused, understand, and learn. Let us start with this activity.
What is the tallest mountain in the Philippines? Mount Pulag? Mount Apo? You are correct, Mount Apo. What is the national dish of the Philippines? Adobo? Kare-kare? You are correct, adobo.
Do you know how tall the Mount Apo is? How did we know that it is the tallest mountain in the Philippines? How to make delicious adobo? Do you know the amount of ingredients your mother prepared to make adobo? Everything around us has measurement, and it is vital to know and determine the size and amount of everything.
In this video, you will learn to describe what it means to measure, to describe the development of measurement from primitive to the present international system of units.
What is measurement? Measurement is a process of finding a number that shows the size or amount of something. Here are the development of measurement. First, primitive time. Second, English system. Third, metric system. And last, we have the International System of Units, or SI units. The development of measurement started in ancient time, or primitive time. In here, the body ruled when it came to measuring. The length of a foot, the width of a finger, and the distance of a step were all accepted measurements. The Egyptians based their system of measurements in different body parts.
Digit is one of the unit of measures during the primitive time. At first, an inch was the width of a man's index. In the 14th century, King Edward II of England ruled that 1 inch equaled 3 grains of barley, placed end-to-end lengthwise. Second is the palm. It's the width of a hand. Next is span. It was the length of the hand stretched out. We also have the cubit. A cubit was the distance from the elbow to the fingertips. Next is the foot. It's the distance from the heel of the foot to the tip of the great toe. We also have the pace. It's the distance from the heel of one foot to the heel of the other foot when walking. And lastly, we have the yard. In the 12th century, King Henry I of England fixed the yards as the distance from his nose to the thumb of his outstretched arm.
Next is the English system. The English system is also known as the United States customary system. The English system of measurement is a system of weights and measures used in the United Kingdom and some other countries. It is based on the length of a line of sight from a north to south point, with a unit of length called a foot. The English system of measures is a collection of measures for length, volume, weight, area, and others that have their roots in hundreds of years of history. Next is the English system. The English system is also known as the United States customary system. The English system of measurement is a system of weights and measures used in the United Kingdom and some other countries. It is based on the length of a line of sight from a north to south point, with a unit of length called a foot. The English system of measures is a collection of measures for length, volume, weight, area, and others that have their roots in hundreds of years of history.
The common units in the English system of measurements are length, mass, and volume. For length, we have the inch, foot, yard, and mile. For mass, we have the pound, ounce, and ton. And for volume, we have the tablespoon, teaspoon, fluid ounce, pint, quart, and gallon.
We also have the metric system. It became the dominant system of measurement and was considered as the world standard measurement.
This table shows the basic units used in the metric system. For length, we have meter, mass, gram, and for volume is liter. Here are the common prefixes used in the metric system. We have tera, giga, mega, kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli, micro, and nano.
Next system of measurement is the international system, or SI. All systems of measurements, metric and non-metric, are linked through the International System of Units, or SI units. It is defined as the metric-based system used to standardize calculations of scientific quantities.
There are 7 base units under the SI unit of measurement. For weight, we have kilogram. Length is meter. For time, we have second. Amount of substance is mole. For temperature, it's Kelvin. For electrical current, it's ampere. And for luminosity, it's candela.
That's all for the development of measurement. Again, we have primitive, English, metric, and the International System of Units. Now, it's time to test yourself. How well did you learn into this lesson? Are you ready?
Which of the following is not a primitive form of measurement? You are correct. Meter. Number 2. He standardized the yard as the distance from his nose to the tip of his thumb, with his arm extended to the side. Very good. It's King Henry I of England. Number 3. It is also known as the United States customary system. Excellent! It's English system. Number 4. What is the basic unit for length in the metric system? Very good. It's meter.
Good job! You are all excellent. My dear learners, always be the best you can be.